Have you ever been in the garden and the next thing you know, you're covered with fire ants? Happens to me all the time. In fact, last video I did, I asked people if they knew what caused ants to live in certain places and how we could treat them. It made me go and research the issue. So I wanted to share with you what I found, why they live where they live, and how we can get rid of them. Well, here I am back where it started, where I started to question where did ants come from and how to treat them. Right here at this raised bed, look at that ant bed. So what I found is ants love raised beds, especially because they have this solid structure on one side. And so anytime they can find a rock, if they can find an old tire, if they even find an old piece of tin laying on the ground, if they can find a solid edge for their bed, they're gonna do that to keep them safe. So ants love to build around solid structures. Ants like to build nests in soil that is loose because they can tunnel easier. It's easier work. They would rather build their nest in loose soil than compact soil. I'm not going to just tell you where ants build nests. I'm also going to tell you how to treat them towards the end. So stay to the end if you want to get rid of those things. But ants especially like raised beds because the side that faces the sun, that warms up first, they will often build on that side of the raised bed. They like that warmth. Go outside if you have raised beds and check it out, see if that's the truth. Also, they like how fast that soil drains, so they don't have to worry about their nest being flooded out. So they especially like these raised beds. Ants also like to build nests where they can farm. Yes, they farm. What do they raise? They raise aphids. Really, they raise aphids like we raise cattle. You see all these aphids here. They will make sure they're protected. The ants will protect them so that they can eat the sweet nectar type substance that those aphids make. So if you have a plant that aphids like to live on, you'll probably have an ant bed around that tree or that plant. Now let's talk about how we can treat these ants. I looked up several ways, but if you know anything about me, I like to look at the old ways. What do those old wives' tales tell us? Well, one of the old wives' tales tells us that if you sprinkle instant grits around and on the ant bed, that this will kill the ants. Supposedly they'll eat the grits, it'll blow up in their stomach and they will explode, but that actually doesn't happen. Scientists have done studies, they can actually eat this and it won't hurt them at all. So if you put grits on your ant bed, you're just feeding them. Okay, let's talk about how we can treat these ants. So here's a way that I found in my research that I'm going to be using often because everybody says it's super effective. First, you're going to need some lids. Any kind of lid that you have. I'm going to be using this kind. Obviously, I'll be using a lot of soda lids. But you're going to make a mixture of sugar and either baking soda or sugar and boric acid. You're going to put that mixture into these lids and put that mixture somewhere where those ants can get it. The sugar is going to attract them and the boric acid and the baking soda is going to mess up their digestive system to the point where they die. So you're going to need these lids. The only thing that I did read that we're going to do different than just putting them beside the bed, we're actually going to disturb the bed and put these inside the mound so that my dogs can't get to this because dogs love sugar too, and I don't need my dogs hurt by these substances. So we have our ant bed here. We're going to want to make a hole. Of course, they're going to swarm. Then you're going to want to put your lid right there and push it in as far as you can. I have a log under here, so I'm going to go ahead and cover that up so that my dogs will not get to it, and those ants will eat that and they will be no more. Also had a lot of comments, people telling me a good way to get rid of ants is use boiling water. So you get a pot like this, fill it up with water. If you have an ant bed there, you would just pour that boiling water onto the ant bed. Obviously this is not boiling, it's not hot, just showing you what to do. So boiling water will kill those things, but it'll also kill the plants around it and it will hurt the roots. So make sure that when you pour that boiling water, it's not around something that you don't want damaged. Like here, I got a carrot. I want that carrot to go to seed. But if I pour boiling water on it, that carrot will probably be no more. Vinegar. Vinegar on an ant bed will kill ants on contact, and it will destroy the pheromone trails. It's true. However, it most likely will not penetrate deep into the ant bed. It probably will not kill the queen, so the ants will be back. It's not going to kill the nest. When all else fails, go to the store and buy a chemical treatment. Just know when you do, you're not going to just be killing ants. You're going to be killing other organisms in the area, and you're going to be doing that for several weeks. So be careful with this. Man, I've enjoyed hearing your solutions to killing ants, to get rid of them. I'd love to hear more. If you have one I didn't cover, put it in the comments below. See you next time.